to my channel. My name is Pamela, and today I'm going to tell you about a very lucrative home-based business that you can do from your home. You can sign up for free and then upgrade for $30. And that $30 could be a one-time investment for your home-based business. And I'll tell you how it can be a one-time investment instead of monthly. So what we're going to do is go ahead and make me smaller. There we go. And we're going to log into our website here. HealthyNuLiving is the name of the company. And this is the replicated website that everyone gets when they sign up. HNL for short, HealthyNuLiving. It's a health and wellness company. This is one of the founders. Her name is Eva Simone. This is Alonzo Brown, guest speaker for our HealthyNuLiving webinar that we had yesterday. And John Dirksmeyer is the other founder of HealthyNuLiving. And what I'm going to do is tell you that you can sign up here for free for a lifetime membership. And once you do that, you get a 20% discount on the ridiculously low-priced health products. And they have products for everything you can think of. Let's go over to the shop and give you a little look at the products. Okay, see, they've got anti-aging, wrinkle, anxiety formula, apple cider vinegar gummies, cold and sweet, instant facelift, joint flex. I heard a testimonial on the joint flex where a gentleman said that after taking it for a few days, that when he woke up in the morning, he didn't feel as stiff. His joints felt better. So that looks like it's going to be a good product. And all the products are very low priced, under what you'll find in the pharmacies or the grocery store. I myself am taking Oxyburn, this product right here, for weight loss and increased energy. It's doing very well. It does suppress my appetite and allows me to not take naps during the day. I have insomnia, and it really helps. And the best thing I think about it is there is no crash when it wears off. It lasts about 12 hours. So yeah, I like the product. All right, I'm going to go back over here and tell you about the compensation plan. The compensation plan is made up of several different things. The first thing is going to be the Fast Start bonus. The Fast Start bonus here we go. When you personally refer someone, they pay $30 when they upgrade. You upgrade to be an affiliate to be able to earn commissions. So when you refer someone, you will get $15 Fast Start bonus out of that $30. And then the other $15 is paid out onto 10 levels of the 2x10 matrix. So depending on where they fall on your line, on what level, the sponsors will get $1 each, or $3 on level 4. Then levels 1 through 9 is $1, and level 10 is $4. So the company doesn't get any of that $30 that we pay to earn commissions. It's all paid out to sponsors. So I think that's it's a wonderful way for the company to give back. The other thing, the other way that you can earn income here is with the 2x10 matrix. And this is what it looks like. Like this is you at the top of the matrix. Then it's a 2x10, so that's every person gets to have 2 people under them. So like this is you, and you would refer 2 people. They would go on your first level directly under you. And then this person here would refer 2 people. And this person here could refer 2 people. And so on. These people here can refer 2 people each, all the way down 10 levels. So it ends up being over 1,000 people in your organization. And there's also a possibility of spillover. So when people that in your upline are referring people going about their business, they have people that spill over down into your matrix. The same thing happens with people that sign up after you. They get the spillover, ends up being onto your matrix. And this is how we build our downlines together. Okay? There is unlimited income potential, because the other thing I want to tell you about is once you personally refer 2 members, you're eligible for the 50% matching bonus of everyone you personally refer. Once you refer 4 people, you get a 100% matching bonus for everyone you personally refer. Now that's powerful. That's a wealth creator right there. And that's month after month residual income. So, and then the other thing I wanted to tell you about that you get 20% discount when you sign up for free, but when you upgrade to an affiliate, you can get up to a 40% discount. And if you sign up monthly, you can get a 33% discount. Another good thing about this company is Alonzo Brown. He actually created Team New Living. And this is our social site where we can come together. I see here are the latest members, the most recent members who have joined. And we have our own profile page. Let's take you to my page now. Let's take a look at that. Now, as a free member, or not even as a member, you can come and look at Team New Living and check it out. You'll be able to click on some things and not the others. But once you upgrade to an affiliate, you have access to everything here. And this is what your page would look like once you upgrade and then come and sign up. You have your affiliate links here to Healthy New Living, Pro Downline Systems, and this is another place where Alonzo has created this and given us plenty of like safe lists and traffic exchanges where we can go sign up and promote Healthy New Living. And then there's Leads Leap. We use that to get our capture pages, landing pages, squeeze pages, whatever you want to call them, to promote our business. And they also have email autoresponder that automatically captures the people that sign up on your pages. So, and you can mail them from there. You can also put in your Facebook page here. And then just a description about yourself. And then you have an activity feed where you can post. And then there's a list of all your friends. So there is every week on Sunday we have team Zoom meetings. And in here are the recordings of all the past meetings. See, we have one coming up Sunday, April 17th, and I would like to invite you to that. It's at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, 7:30 Central, and you can come to teamnewliving.com, and you can click right here on to attend the Zoom meeting, or just go to this address here. And here are the past recordings if you want to come in and watch. See, there I am right there. I attend these every Sunday. And yeah, it goes all the way back to February 20th. I signed up, I think, February 19th. Yeah, and I've already got 10 people signed up under me. Of course, now I do make no claims of income. This all depends on your efforts and what you want to do in your business as to how much money you'll make. Me personally, I plan to make a lot because I work this business every day through posting on social media, making videos, and through the various traffic exchanges and so forth and so on. So make sure that if I did not refer you here, that you go back to the person that referred you and ask them for the link to sign up. Otherwise, I will leave the link in the description where you can sign up. So if you like this video, hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, and all on the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I put out a video. Thank you. Y'all have a great day.